Welcome everybody to my get-together. My name is Aleka and today we are making this deliciously spooky witch's martini. For this deliciously spooky martini, we're going to try to keep it dark to go with the theme of Halloween. So I am going to use some black vodka. Blavod vodka is usually sold nowadays in the fall, especially in October around Halloween. So check your local liquor store, they should have it. And if they don't, you can use just regular vodka. The taste is the same, but you just won't get that dark color. An alternative is to use black food coloring. It is perfect to dye things black for Halloween because we all like it dark and spooky, right? Next, we're gonna need some Cointreau. It's gonna add a little bit of citrus to our martini. Next, our juice. I went again with a darker juice to keep it dark. Cranberry, pomegranate mix. If you can't find this juice, you can use either or buy them separately and mix them together. Next, our Chambord. It is a black raspberry liqueur. It is delicious. I love it. And it's dark. Finally, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Let's get mixing. And by the way, this jigger I got off of Amazon. It's awesome. It has measures on both sides, so it's all you need to whip up quick drinks. 3/4 of an ounce of your Blavod black vodka or any regular vodka, or flavored if you feel like it. 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. One and a half ounces of our juice. 1/2 ounce of, a little bit over, lemon juice. And 1/2 ounce of our Chambord. Close it up, shake it up. You can see the color of it though. Look, it's like a deep purple. A martini glass. This guy is 4 ounces. A lot of martini glasses are a lot larger, but this is a good serving size. If you have a larger martini glass, you're just going to increase the ratios. If you want to make your drink bubbly like this, you can purchase some dry ice pellets at your local store, but do so with caution and at your own risk. Make sure you read up all about the safety guidelines on using dry ice in anything like a cocktail before you use it. And there you have it, your spooky witch's martini. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video if you love entertaining and want more cocktail recipe ideas and entertaining tips. Happy Halloween, everybody!